Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully remove the mylar tape that secures the heatsink to the battery. Remove the 5 2.3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the heatsink over the processor components. Note, due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the heatsink and processor, it may be necessary to move the heatsink from side to side to detach it from the system board. Carefully lift the heatsink off of the system board and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the heatsink.